Hello viewer, this is the new 54A which is now taking shape. Long way to go, but I'll show you how far I've got so far. Here we go. Right then, so it's still very much a mess at the moment, but I'm getting sorted slowly. Got the lathe up that end there, got all the ceiling lights in, my tools and chucks will all go in that cupboard, or those drawers, not a cupboard. Bandsaw over that side. Just started putting a few things on the wall cupboard, another wall cupboard. There will be another wall cupboard up that end, but it's still in the box at the moment. Scan round a bit, got my table saw tucked in the corner, folded up, out of the way because it very rarely gets used. Loads of cupboards underneath, forget that for a minute, that's what I'm sorting out at the moment. Loads of cupboards, loads more cupboards, and cupboard coffee machine. That's my charging station, my cordless tools. Of course, got to have some music. This is my other workbench for my crafting more than anything else. So I've got a laser cutter which is in the process of being set up, and I will be continuing with this lovely old Bentley. I've started it. Place my laptop, and of course my trusty comfy chair. I'm in the process at the moment of finding all these old packing containers. This had all my chucks in and odds and ends, which I'm in the process of cleaning up and sorting out. They're not in bad condition, seeing as they've been outside just under a tarpaulin for 6 months. I've got about 8 or 9 of these containers to sort through with various tools and whatever. Some I'll keep, some I'll get rid of. But I'm quite pleased with how it's coming on. The main part of the shed was ruined actually, it was soaking wet. The one part that was okay was the back. I managed to keep the whole back of the shed, and I've just extended it slightly. I managed to keep the floor, repaired it and extended that as well. By a couple of foot, put some new laminate down. So this is my craft bench where I can sit all day if I want and just contemplate what I'm going to do next. At the moment it's so this model Bentley I'm building, that should take up quite a lot of my time, in between sorting out all the rest of the stuff I've got to put in here. I think this time I should have enough room. Everything's going to be nicely sorted out. At the moment I'm making these drawer dividers to stop things getting all mixed up in the drawers, which usually happens, doesn't it? So we're going to make a few of those anyway. I'm slowly starting to replace all my old corded tools with cordless ones, and of course while I'm sitting down with nothing to do, I've got my coffee machine and my music. I've got 10 of these downlighters in, which is absolutely ample. I've left a big hole in the roof. Actually it's not a hole, as you can tell, but it doesn't have let a lot of natural light in. So I'm really pleased with how I thought of that actually. All the windows are all reclaimed. The door is reclaimed. The whole locked door and the windows only cost me just over £100. It's very well insulated. There's a lot of snagging to do yet and tidying up and joining things together. But I'm getting there slowly, and in the next couple of weeks I hope to have the old lathe turned on again and see what I can make if I can remember how to use it. So that's about it for now. So there you go, viewer, just a very quick look around what I've been doing for the past 6 months or so. Lots of things happen in life, and some things get put on the back burner for a bit, but this shed was absolutely soaking wet. Well, not this shed, the one I've just replaced. It was awful. So I'm sitting down in my comfy chair at the moment. I haven't even got my tripod. I'm having to hold the thing. So if only I had a telly. Let me think. Oh, I have got a telly. See you soon, dear. Bye bye.